So what is up, guys? As you probably can hear, the ZeusMiner have arrived. It's the thing in the background running. I have just hooked it up, and as we can see, it's hashing away just fine at about 1 mega hash right now. It's been connected for about 10 minutes maybe, but I will log everything in here with the ZeusMiner controller, and in a few hours I will do a quick overview. But after I'm done talking here, I will show you some footage that I recorded when I unpacked it. It's recorded with my DSLR. One thing to note: ZeusMinerFeedback.com ###. I live in Denmark, and ZeusMiner knows where to ship the miner. Then why do they include a UK power outlet for the wall? This doesn't make any sense. They know where to ship it, but they include the wrong outlet. No, sorry, the wrong cable for the wall outlet. That's not good enough. I'm sorry, that's not good enough. Luckily, I had one laying around, so I will be using that. But nothing else to say more than I will be back in a few hours when the miner have started to stabilize in its hash rate. You can see now we are 1.40 mega hash. But I will see you in a couple of hours. Goodbye.
We have traveled land and sea, but as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea. As long as I am with you, my heart continues to beat.